In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Chatgpt-4 image input not working yet. If you've been trying to input images and it's just not happening, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through a few troubleshooting steps that should help get things back on track, and we'll aim to get everything sorted in about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and see how we can resolve this issue together. First, what you want to do is open up your web browser. That might seem pretty basic, but it's your starting point whether you're on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of choice. Once you have the browser up and running, look for the 3 little dots in the top right corner. Yes, those ones. Clicking on them will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll go ahead and click on Settings. You're probably familiar with this part, but it's important as we need to clear the browser cache. Clearing the cache can solve a number of issues by refreshing stored settings and potentially outdated data that might be causing problems. Once that's done, navigate to the ChatGPT platform. If you've done this part already, don't worry, just stick with me. Now go through the process of logging out of your account. A simple log out and log back in can often do the trick. When you log back in, keep an eye on whether the image input problem still persists. If it does, the next step is to consider switching browsers or even using a different device. Sometimes, a platform like ChatGPT may work better on one browser over another due to the way plugins or particular browser settings interact with the site. If it's possible for you, give it a try on another device, a phone, a tablet, or another computer. While doing these checks, something else you could try is disabling any ad blockers that you have in place. Now, ad blockers are great for stopping those pesky ads, but they can sometimes inadvertently block functionality on legitimate sites. So just temporarily turn it off and see if that resolves the issue. Next up, let's try uploading a very simple image. The idea here is to rule out any potential issues with the complexity or size of the image you're trying to use. Sometimes simpler is better when you're troubleshooting. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and still can't crack it, there's one more thing you should do. Head over to statusopenai.com. This is where OpenAI posts about any ongoing system issues or outages. It's always a good idea to check this, as there might be an active problem affecting all users, not just you. And there you have it. Simple steps to fix the Chatgpt-4 image input issue. I hope this helps you get back on track and using the image input functionality without any glitches. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.